Did you know that some people have a special talent for healing others? Sometimes they don't even need to use their hands. Their presence is enough. In today's video, we're going to explore together 9 signs that could indicate you also have this healing gift. These signs go beyond the ordinary. So get ready to discover surprising aspects about yourself. Imagine being able to alleviate the pain of others just by being near. Does that sound incredible? Well, it's a reality for some people with a powerful healing potential. If any of these signs resonate with you, if you felt a special connection to the well-being of others, or if you've experienced a deep intuition about health and energy, you may have a natural gift for helping heal. Before we begin, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. There you'll find videos that will help you understand how you can use your abilities to manifest what you want in your life. Would you like to learn how to channel your energy to help others? This is the right place to start. At the end of the video, I'll invite you to reflect on how many of these signs you recognize in yourself. It will be an opportunity to discover and celebrate your unique abilities. Don't miss it! A revelatory experience awaits you that could change everything. Your way of seeing your own healing potential, whether through specific techniques or simply through the power of your presence. Today we will show you 9 signs that you were born to heal. If any of these signs sound familiar, please share your experiences in the comments. Sign number 1. You feel the desire to alleviate the suffering of others. Have you ever felt a strong urge to help someone going through a difficult time? That urge could be a sign that you have a natural gift for healing. Natural healers experience a deep desire to alleviate the suffering of others, driven by an innate empathy and compassion for those going through physical, emotional, or mental difficulties. This desire to help arises from the depths of their being, driving them to offer comfort and care to those in need, whether through alternative therapies, practical advice, or simply by providing a listening and understanding ear. Natural healers seek to alleviate the pain of others in any way possible. This desire to alleviate suffering is more than a motivation. It is a fundamental part of who they are and how they choose to dedicate their time and energy to helping others on their path to healing. Sign number 2. A strong sense of purpose and calling. If you have always felt a deep, innate sense that you were destined for something important, you are likely a natural healer. Natural healers are people who have an innate ability to help others heal, whether physically, emotionally, or spiritually. They have always felt a deep connection to the well-being of others and have a special intuition and sensitivity to the needs of others. This purpose can manifest in different ways. Perhaps you feel called to work in health fields such as medicine, psychology, or therapy. Or you may find your path as a healer through holistic practices such as massage, acupuncture, or traditional medicine. It will always be a calling that goes beyond the desire to complete a professional career. It is as if this purpose is part of your soul and drives you to help heal and guide others. It is an impulse that will guide you toward actions or lifestyles in which healing is the central point. Sign number 3. A deep connection with nature and animals. Natural healers feel a deep connection with nature and animals and use natural remedies and techniques to help heal. These healers believe that everything in the universe is interconnected, both body and mind, and that health can be restored by balancing the body's energies. They offer a wide variety of plants and herbs that can be used as natural medicines to treat various ailments. Furthermore, natural healers also recognize the importance of animals in the healing process. Many animals have natural healing instincts and can provide emotional support to people going through difficult times. Plants become more beautiful and prosperous under their care, and they can perceive the needs of these plants. It's as if they master a language with which they can communicate with both plants and animals. Sign number 4. People naturally open up to you. As a natural healer, your presence radiates calming energy and creates an environment conducive to people easily opening up to you. This special ability to create a space of trust and comfort allows those around you to feel safe sharing their problems and concerns. Recognizing your capacity for healing, whether on a physical, emotional, or spiritual level, people are drawn to you, willing to openly express their experiences and the perception of your intuition. And sensitivity reinforces the trust of others by giving them the necessary encouragement to speak openly about their emotions and challenges. Natural healers also stand out for their innate ability to listen deeply and understand others. Their capacity to offer empathy and unconditional support is comforting to those seeking healing in different aspects of their lives. This natural connection and the ability to create a space conducive to emotional openness are distinctive characteristics of natural healers. Sign number 5. Natural empathy. Possessing natural empathy can be both a gift and a challenge. On the one hand, it gives you the ability to connect deeply with others, understanding their emotions and providing them with support and understanding. On the other hand, it can be overwhelming and exhausting to feel the emotions of others as if they were your own. Individuals with natural empathy tend to have greater sensitivity to the energy and emotions of the people around them. They can perceive subtle signals, interpret nonverbal communication, and even sense the energy of an environment. Although this heightened sensitivity can be overwhelming at times, it also carries tremendous potential for compassion. Empathy and understanding allow them to establish deep connections with others, offer comfort and support, and intuitively understand needs. If you are someone with natural empathy, it is crucial to set boundaries and take care of yourself. This involves learning techniques to protect your energy, practicing self-care, and finding healthy outlets to release and process emotions. Consciously developing your empathic capacity will allow you to reap its positive benefits while protecting you from potential negative effects, thus ensuring a healthy balance in your interactions and relationships. If you enjoy the content, we appreciate your support with a like. We cordially invite you to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications to stay up to date on everything we share with you. We value your interest. Sign number 6. Innate ability to balance and heal. Natural healers not only perceive energy but also possess a natural ability to balance and harmonize it, whether through physical contact, their presence, or their words. These are tools used by natural healers to influence the energy of those seeking their help. Through physical contact, they can channel their own energy into the patient's body, facilitating the correction of any imbalance. It is possible to notice how their hands become warm in the presence of someone experiencing pain. This intuition leads them to place their hands directly on the affected area. Healers are perceived as understanding and receptive friends, capable of listening and understanding. This innate ability can be developed from an early age and perfected over time, either through the practice of massage therapy or through guidance in energy work. Sign number 7. High sensitivity to energy and the environment. Natural healers stand out for their acute perception and awareness of the subtle energies that permeate the world. They are able to capture the ions and energetic frequencies of both people and their surroundings. This ability allows them to identify energetic imbalances, blockages, or illnesses in others, as well as feel and perceive people's emotional states. This acute sensitivity is not limited to the human realm but also extends to the environment around them. Natural healers can be affected by places charged with negative or disturbing energies. In turn, they are drawn to spaces filled with positive and harmonious energy. High sensitivity to energy and the environment presents itself as a valuable gift, but it can also represent a challenge. Exposure to heavy energies or working with people experiencing deep pain or suffering can generate emotional overload and exhaustion. Natural healers. Sign number 8. Unusual recovery and resilience. Natural healers possess an extraordinary capacity that allows them to recover and heal more quickly than most people. This ability manifests not only on a physical level but also in the emotional sphere. Natural healers can go through serious illnesses and emerge victorious, showing unusual resilience. It is essential to understand that this does not imply that they do not feel pain. Rather, it demonstrates that they have the ability to release it quickly and effectively. This exceptional resilience and recovery capacity can extend to emotional traumas. Natural healers have a remarkable inner strength that allows them to overcome difficult experiences with a notable ability to heal. Their intrinsic connection to balance and harmony contributes to this unusual resilience. Sign number 9. Being a source of calm in the midst of chaos. Have you ever met someone who, just by being around, seems to make everything calmer and more relaxed? Even in chaotic situations, that person could be a natural healer. Natural healers have this incredible ability to carry with them a tranquility that can transform the most stressful moments into moments of peace. Their presence is like a light in the darkness, capable of calming nerves and relieving the tensions of those around them. Even if they don't have all the answers, their energy has a calming effect that can be very comforting. If you've noticed that you have the ability to reduce conflicts and contribute to their resolution in a calm and serene way, you may have the heart of a healer. We hope you enjoyed exploring these 9 signs that could indicate you have a natural gift for healing. Being a healer goes beyond physical healing. It also involves emotional, mental, and spiritual aspects. If you identify with any of these signs, we encourage you not only to recognize that healing ability within yourself but also to share it with the world. Your ability to bring calm and well-being to others is a gift that deserves to be shared generously. In short, the signs we've explored today could indicate that you have a special talent for helping others heal. You may not realize it, but perhaps you have the ability to alleviate the pain of those around you, whether with a kind gesture, your comforting presence, or your positive energy. It's important that you recognize this unique potential you have. You may feel a special connection to the well-being of others. Furthermore, whether you've experienced intuitions about how to help others feel better, these signs aren't just coincidences. They could be indications that you have a natural gift for healing. I encourage you to reflect on these signs and consider how you can use your abilities to make a positive difference in the lives of others. Perhaps you'll discover that you have a deeper purpose in life, one that allows you to help heal the world in a unique and meaningful way. If you're interested in further exploring this fascinating topic and learning how to develop your healing and spiritual growth skills, this is the ideal place for you. On my YouTube channel, you'll find a wide variety of videos and practical tips that will help you expand your knowledge and develop your full potential in the spiritual realm and universal manifestations. Don't miss this unique opportunity to grow and learn alongside a community committed to well-being and personal development. Subscribe now to access exclusive content and join us on this exciting adventure of discovery and transformation. Together, we can open new doors to greater understanding and fulfillment in our lives. I look forward to seeing you on our journey toward fulfillment and the manifestation of our deepest dreams. See you soon. In the following videos, you'll learn to develop a mastermind capable of manifesting the life you desire. Listen to the voice of your soul and become unstoppable. If you truly want a change in your life, it's time to stop postponing it. Your change begins today. Remember that you are unique, special, and important. I love you very much. Have a spectacular day.